Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the game states you need. Karlach's marker active and Act 1 contacts heard. Once done, move toward the area indicated on the map without fast traveling. This preserves NPC triggers. Make sure to approach at normal walking pace and talk to anyone nearby who has quest icons. These conversations unlock the next scene. You should also check your journal for any unlocked clues. Doing this prevents missing the initial cutscene that starts the only recruitment route. Once you arrive in the subzone, systematically search interiors and talk to everyone with exclamation marks. Karlach is tied to a sequence, not random wandering. If a conversation offers persuasion or intimidation, pick the option that matches your character. Those choices push the plot forward and reveal her whereabouts. Make sure to exhaust all dialogue trees. Sometimes a single missed reply blocks the path. Also, don't eliminate NPCs linked to the quest until the recruitment completes. To finish, enter the scripted encounter and select the dialogue choices that invite Karlach to join. This is the actual recruitment moment. If the option doesn't appear, reload the save just before the scene and re-attempt the key dialogue. That usually fixes trigger hiccups. If problems persist, backtrack to the previous area, rest at camp, then return. Resting can reset state machines in some quest lines. Remember to keep a pre-encounter save so you can retry without losing major progress.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.